Hey, I think we need to check the church pew. I saw Tenor lift his leg on the upstage right corner. Oh, that's just perfect. Thanks, Tenor. Hey, Stubbs. Yeah? You know, it's going pretty well. Yeah? Yeah, you know, Cockroachy, it is somehow going okay. Hey, Stubbs, Merry Christmas. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Merry Christmas to you, too. Oh, boy. Now I'm talking to cockroaches. Hey, don't work too hard back there, Tenor. Hey, Stubbs, can I talk to you for a minute? There's something I have to tell you. It's about Bree. Well, yeah, sure. Sure, Roquefort. What is it?